This thing works. Good morning, welcome to the ScrapPalletMan channel. I'm excited about today. What we normally do is find stuff on the curb or in a dumpster, something like that. But I have a bunch of stuff planned for today, and I have no clue if I'm going to get any of it done because things just happened. Yeah, and our journey's going to start right now. And the first stop of the day is the scrapyard to get rid of that stuff in the back of my truck that I've accidentally tripped across as I'm just driving around on Labor Day weekend. So yeah, pulling up to old DeKalb iron and metal. All right, 4,120 pounds. Let's see how much scrap we got. Definitely want to keep that C-clamp. These aluminum? Nope. Okay, so 3860, and I kept the aluminum and stuff. I hope I get to use my grinder today. So yeah, just to be an open and transparent here, I've never used a grinder before. Never owned one, never used one. Yeah. Okay, with how much the weight was, it's either $14 or $15. So we shall see.
What? Muffin.
No.
Would you like one?
I would love one.
I made banana nut, apple cinnamon, and blueberry.
Which is your favorite?
Blueberry is my favorite.
Okay, I'll try it.
It's one of those.
Okay. do this one.
Okay.
You actually
I did. I baked them all last night. What else?
That blueberry muffin was delicious. So 13 bucks. Yeah, I couldn't remember what my weigh-in was. So looks like it was 41.20, and weighing out was 38.60. So 260 pounds. So half of 26 is 13, because it's $100 in that ton. All right, so we'll take care of business. All right, so I'm at actually looking for some boxes for putting some stuff in, and I'm here at the construction site, and that dude just told me, say, hey dude, we got a bunch of scrap for you. Come back at the end of the day and we'll have it all lined up for you. I'm like, well, I'm not even looking for scrap right now, and yeah, it's awesome. Hey, what's going on? All right. Ooh, they got rained on. The padlock. It was funny, they're not using the padlock at all. Those look like even nicer boxes. What if that's 24 inches? Probably wouldn't fit in there anyway though. Ooh, this might be perfect. Yeah. Ta-da! The perfect box. Yes. Let's go see if they'll work. I just noticed we had a bunch of shelving back here, but I can't tell if they're keeping this stuff or not. So I will have to have permission, just because it looks like it's wanting to be kept. Yay! They're gonna fit. Yeah. Really? Just make sure all the shipping stuff is taken off. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So as I was finishing taping up that box to get shipped out, one of the workers from the Dollar General came out. She kind of gave me a funny look. And so I just asked her, I said, hey, I saw you have some shelving in that dumpster area. You guys keeping that? And she says, yes, they are. So I said, all right, cool. So I had to run home and change my shirt. And so I thought I'd pick up the other aluminum barbecue lid and a couple of totes. And we're gonna head on over to my storage unit. I think this color of shirt wasn't the smartest idea with it being a hot summer day. Yeah, it's the waning part of summer. Yeah, you know, I've always been a summer person. Summer's been my favorite season. This is the first time I have not enjoyed the weather, the heat. I always like the heat, you know, and I was born and raised in Las Vegas. I just like the heat. But this season, it's not been that fun. Yeah, it's my second summer scrapping. So it was the summer of, or spring of 2017 was my first time ever in a scrapyard. So yeah, I just finished up my rookie year of being a scrapper. Man, we got some stuff going on here at the old storage unit. Look at that trailer. Sweet. heard that the DeWalt discs aren't the greatest. All right, so that's the way it works. Press the button down. I guess tighten it a little bit. They said don't tighten it a lot. It's a battery pack. It's the first time I've used it. First time I've ever used a grinder ever. Yeah. And then they said to adjust. When I say they, I'm talking about YouTube channels. Woo! That thing has some torque. Woo! All right, so I'm grinding. It's gonna go towards my hand. Is that the way we want to do it? Is that how right hand uses the trigger? I don't know. One thing I will do is adjust this guy. Now I like steel and all, but I don't want to have a chunk of it embedded in my hand, so I'm going to, yeah, adjust this guy. I guess just backwards. I guess. That look about right? Yeah, something like that. Just cut off right there. All right, let's try that first grinding. Yes. Just rip this thing right off. Yeah, grind it. Let's see. That's kind of what I meant to do. Oh yeah, this thing works. The smell of steel reminds me of being on the ship when I was in the Coast Guard. That was cool. I heard a couple Coast Guard jokes in the comments the other day. Yeah. Yeah. It only comes from Navy guys that wish they'd have joined the Coast Guard. But hey, it's all good. All right, next. Okay, what about this guy? That's probably aluminum. I think we need a huge magnet to check it out. Alright, so that's aluminum. Does a grinder work on wood? Let's try it out. Yes, it does. Is it gonna catch a fire? Guess it's gonna take a little bit for me to get kind of used to it. Did I just like ruin it? I hope not. I don't think you can just ruin a blade by using it on wood. Maybe. I don't know.
So you guys would probably know this really easily. So I guess there's special bits for an impact drill, because this thing doesn't tighten up or anything. So yeah. All right, so I guess I use these bits with the drill itself. Oh, I need the extension. I don't know. Let's just try it. All right, so reverse. So I know it's not tight. Oh, I guess it is. Never mind. I'm struggling here. Other way. So also, what is this little extra thing? Is it? I don't know what that is. That for the belt? Clink. I don't know. I really don't know. Wow, some pretty nifty stuff there. So it has to have that little ridge for it to lock into place. Okay. All right. Okay, what else needs to come on, let's go. What? Who are you? You need to go away, mister. Pretty nifty little tool. Fair enough. Alright, so what is left over here? This guy? Might as well go old school because I just got tools, right? I'm already dropping stuff. So this will be clean, extruded aluminum, I guess. Cast aluminum? Yeah, cast. Yeah, how can it be extruded if it's not straight? Two pieces. Oh yeah, this thing has come off. I think we need the grinder. Yeah, let's grind it. Wait a minute. Do I need to go underneath? You know what? We gotta go manual here, I think. Ah, grinder. All right, that's 3. Got another one back here somewhere. I do. Looks like this one has some wing nuts on it. Cool. I know how those operate, because I've been to school for this. Cool, so this one's put together with just a cotter pin. Cotter pin out. And this one. Come on. All right. Is this guy aluminum? Ooh, it is, I think. Yeah, that's aluminum. Okay. Another piece. And what's going on here? Oh, they got those funny bits. Huh, grinder time. I bet all you guys with welding experience and shipboard damage control experience, you guys are like, oh, come on, you need to do it like this. You know, which would be like me telling a bass player that's played for 45 minutes, dude, you just need to do an arpeggio. That's all. Come on, man. Try it like this. Start with the seventh dominant. Yeah. Now what's up with this? Can I just break it? Looks like I could just break it. Or is that aluminum? No, that's brass. Oh, cool. Pushes right up. All right. All right. Clean aluminum. Or when I say clean, it means it's not contaminated with other metals. Not that it's clean from dirt. Yeah. All right. It's a start. Stuff's been in the back of my truck for a while. Yeah, I want to do some regular street scrapping tomorrow. Definitely. Some garbage day street scrapping. Yeah, because I'm just gonna do, like, so many commenters really had some great suggestions about the storage unit, and I'm gonna take some of the advice of, you know, just a little bit at a time. Yeah, this is gonna be, yeah, I'm gonna take care of this right now. This is gonna be part of my grabber. It still doesn't come off. All right. I don't want to be digging into that. Some wood. There's a piece of wood right here. All right, let's see if I can do it like that. Yes. Oh, so that piece isn't coming off because of that lip. All right. Thank you, piece of wood. You came in handy. Now this guy is going to be my grabber stick. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought I put the gouge in there inside. It's the crimp for these guys. Now, I don't think I should put more of a hook in this. Where is my Extendomatic? Yes, most excellent. This is a Extendomatic, right? There we go. All right, so I just twist the actual pole and nothing else. Okay. Bam. My picker stick. Good stuff. All right, so let's go to the scrapyard and turn these guys in. And this little bit of aluminum right here. And I'm calling it a day. It's hot. I'm wearing a dark shirt like a fool. Right. Yeah, so I had to pick up my guitar effects and such. And it's actually my sheet music for this upcoming weekend, which I'm playing the weekend services, but also the all-campus Ignite. Yeah, I think we pared it down to 8 songs now for the Ignite service. So 4 songs during the weekend services, 8 songs on Sunday night's Ignite service, and then we're opening up for Sandy Patty. If you don't know who she is, you can do a Google search of Sandy Patty, and we're going to be playing in the historic Egyptian theater in DeKalb. So I am so looking forward to that. That means I have to practice a lot. And God puts excellence in us. He does. He gives us the ability to do. So, right. Scrap from my pastor friend. Yeah, he's got scrap for me. Good stuff. You just like have scrap.
This
for
is
me in
all
your...
out of the off. Well, yeah, of course. These, check these out. You're not ready for that, were you? I don't know. They're out of the church, and they were in this free pile. And I'm like, come on, no one's taking these. Let me give them the ball.
You have a free pile?
Well, not now. You got it. No more, but
Awesome. What did you hit?
rocks. Here's my neighbor's cord. Took my neighbor's cord for you. Telling you. You want these? I don't know if you have tons of plastic on them.
It goes right to their shredder.
It sounds like it's happening, right? Stuff flying everywhere. Dude. Some stuff from homes and stuff from church. As long as your brother
I love you. All right, let's turn in our aluminum. Yeah. Double check out with the magnet. What's going on, man? Alright, so I haven't gotten paid yet, but from the scale guy, cast aluminum 53 pounds and extruded aluminum, so 6160, is 18 pounds. And what's the number for the, there's no number for the cast aluminum. Just says aluminum cast old / clean. All right, let's go check it out with the office folks.
All right, what we bring today?
Aluminum.
All right.
Cast aluminum and extrusion.
Beautiful.
Those muffins were delicious. How come they're not all gone?
I have not eaten them all yet.
I
Would
thought.
you like another one?
Yeah. That blueberry was amazing. And I have to confess something.
Yes.
I've never had a blueberry muffin in my life.
What?
Ever. Never. Not one time.
Oh my gosh.
That's the first time. So is this blueberry?
That's blueberry,
Mm.
apple cinnamon, and then banana nut.
You want to hear something else? And people don't believe it,
What's
but
that?
it's true. I've never tasted cheesecake before. Ever. Not one time.
Are you American?
I am. But it just cheese and cake just sounds terrible. And ever since I was a little kid, I was like, no.
You know what cream cheese tastes like, right?
Hmm?
It's like that.
Okay.
It's not like an actual cheese, not like a cheddar kind of a thing.
Right.
It's sweeter, the cream cheese side.
Yeah. I've not even taken one bite of it.
You need to go to the Cheesecake Factory. It's a restaurant.
It's so good.
It's amazing.
That's what I hear from everybody.
Highly recommend it.
But, yeah. Cece, I was just telling her I've never had a blueberry muffin before. Until this morning. From her.
Oh my gosh, they're so
So,
I've set the standard.
yeah. Because it just sounds like fruit in a muffin. And I'm like, no. Or fruit in a biscuit.
Like apple pie. You don't think apples belong in pies, but they do, and they're amazing.
Awesome.
Warmed up with some whipped cream.
$23. I'll take it.
Yeah.
So I've got my blueberry muffin. And yes, I like blueberry muffins now. Oh. Just want to praise God for blueberries. So it looks like the extrusion was considered painted. So 35 cents a pound, so $6.30 for that. And the aluminum cast, 53 pounds at 33 cents a pound. I was hoping to get a 45-cent a pound. One of them is 45 cents. I guess it's the clean extruded. So that was $17.49 for $23.79. But, so I'm at the scrapyard, and there's this trash like right over here. So, and there's steel. Yeah, let's go get it. We're across the street from a scrapyard, and there's metal sitting here. Snag, you're coming with me, mister. That's what I'm talking about. What are they doing over there? Alright, I'm going to wrap this video up. I just want to praise God for a great day. Thanks for just good weather. Even though it's so hot, God, I just want to say thank you for good weather. And I love you, God. You're amazing. And thanks for allowing me to be a part of the worship team at church, just to worship you. And that's one thing that that all of us are going to be able to continue to do in heaven, is to worship you. That a lot of our jobs are going to go away, and bills and just things, but worship is not going to stop. In your Son, amen.